Okay, we're looking at Microsoft Office Excel 2007, and we're going to learn how to join two cells into one. In other words, if you have a first name in one cell, a last name in the other cell, and you would like to join them together in one cell. So I'm starting with an empty spreadsheet. I'm going to click into cell A1 and type first name. Okay, tab over to cell B1 and type last name. Tab over to cell C1 and type first last name. Okay, so I'm just going to beef this up a little bit by making it bold. I'm going to select my column headers, double click on the end to increase the size of the column, and then I'm going to come back to A1 and type my first name. So just to give us a couple to work with. So now I'm going to click into cell C2 where I'm going to put my formula. The formula begins always with an equal sign. Now I'm going to click on my first cell, A2, and I'm going to add the ampersand, which is above the 7 key on the keyboard. Now to keep a space between the two names, I'm going to use quote, space, another quote. The quotes mean that we're actually going to be adding a character, in this case a space. Now I'm going to click on the ampersand again, and I'm going to click on the B2 cell. Okay, when I click enter, I have my two names in one cell, and of course using the copy handle I can just go to the right hand corner, bottom right hand corner of that cell, and drag it down to copy the cell down to the other two locations. Now I'm not finished, because if I go ahead now and I need to delete these two, which I'm sure that you would want to do, you can see that it says reference, because remember we had formulas in those cells. So I'm just going to click the back button to bring those two columns back, and I'm going to select the C column, and I'm going to click on copy or Control C, whatever you prefer, and then I'm going to go to the paste and paste values. Okay, this gets rid of the formulas in those cells. Now to get rid of the marquee, I just have to hit the escape button, and now when I come back and I select A and B column and I hit delete, bingo, we have first last name in the column, no problem.